Hello all. The coronavirus pandemic has affected almost everyone's work environment in one way or another. From mandatory shutdowns to wearing a mask all day, many of us have seen major changes in the way we work. Individual companies as well as OSHA have increased regulations and guidelines to ensure public health at work. Companies that don't comply with the rules and regulations set by OSHA are subject to be inspected, cited, and fined per violation. And since the start of the coronavirus pandemic, OSHA has cited 37 companies totaling around $484,000. And all things considered, this seems oddly low to me. I would assume that number to be in the millions over the last 6 months, from hospitals to grocery stores to factories to dental offices. Just to put things in perspective, one company alone had over 1,300 employees contract the coronavirus, resulting in 4 deaths. The key here is that OSHA has the ability to fine per violation, with the maximum being $13,494. But many of the coronavirus violations have fell under the general duty clause. In 2018, only 1.5% of nearly 600,000 violations actually fell under the general duty clause. So it's not as if this is some sort of standard by any means. As we continue to attempt to get back to normal, I'm really interested to see how OSHA handles fines and regulations and everything moving forward. Will there be more emphasis on worker safety? Will there be more fines? Will the fines be higher? We will see. I plan on following this story, and I'll kind of do a follow-up story in the next couple months. What's good for business? It's good for the environment.